Hi, let's see some of the paid trading calls that are still in progress. We are on March 19th. It's around 7:50 now, 7:50 a.m. So let me just check which are the trades that have progressed from yesterday. We have this S Bank and Bank Nifty pair. And sorry, in case if you're not able to understand what I'm trying to do here, what I'm showing here, you can always go back and refer to the live webinar what we had on paid trading strategy. Then maybe once you have a look at that, then you'll be able to understand it better. But as of now, for today, before the market opens, I'm just seeing which are the trades that are in progress. We have the S Bank and Bank Nifty pair. Where S Bank we have short and Bank Nifty we have gone long. The correlation is 95%. That's an excellent figure. So let's just check what's happening in this trade. So we have the data for this particular trade for the last 10 years. It's a 10-year back-tested data. So you're seeing S Bank has outperformed Bank Nifty here. So let's just check the present running trade. So we got this trade on Jan 20th. We short S Bank and we bought Bank Nifty. The Z-score was 2.9. So you know that the Z-score comes to around 1, we should be coming out of the trade. So the Z-score fell to 2.5, 5,000 rupees profit, and 2.41 on the next day, that's again profit, and then again it slightly rose up. We had this loss of 1,000 rupees, and again it fell down to 2.15, 7,000. So the right side what you're seeing is a profit in that particular trade, that is one lot each. So let's see where is our exit. See, 1.14 is quite near to 1. So this could have been a good exit. But in case if you haven't come out of the trade here, then you'll have to wait till it comes to 1. This is another good exit point, 1.1. But 1.14 here, it has given already 20,000 rupees. I think that's a quite decent profit considering the number of days that you have traded. In case if you have taken 2 lots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days. 9 days around 20,000 rupees on the pair. That's a fairly good trade. You could have come out of this trade on 1 lot, and then you could have just retained and then waited till you get the next profit. But sorry, the data is closed till March 11. But that was a quite decent profit. You could have come out of the trade at 20,000 rupees profit. So that is S Bank and Nifty. Let's come to S Bank and Axis Bank. This is also a very good pair with 95% correlation. So we are looking at trades with correlation more than 70%, and even the winning trade has more than 70%. So again, we have back-tested data for 10 years. We have short S Bank. Sorry, we have bought S Bank and we have short Axis Bank here. So you can just see the Z-score. Z-score is 2.5. That is when the call got generated. The next day itself, we had around 9,000 rupees profit. The Z-score fell to around 2%. You can see here 1.17, 1.27. So that's around 16,000 rupees here. So finally, overall, what we have at the end of the day, that is yesterday's end, is around 32,000 rupees profit on this particular day. So that's roughly around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 days trade. 10 days, 32,000. So the strategy is, in case if you have enough funds in your account, enter into 2 lots, and then try to book your profit initially when it comes to the 2 becomes 1.5 or something like that. And then the next lot you can book the maximum profit out of the trade. This trade is completed. You can see that it's 0.13. So the trade will close at 1. So it has given you a clear indication that this particular trade has closed, and you can see the winning trades is 90% in this. So out of 21 trades, there's hardly one or two trades you have lost in this. But otherwise, you can see that the highest winning trade is 95,000 sometime back. Highest losing trade is 30,000. So that's a very good pair, and this is already closed. So we'll check for the next few trades which are coming up. JSW and Tata Steel, we have a correlation of 94% here. So again, all this backlisted data what we have is for 10 years. So you just check, we have Tata Steel and JSW. We have bought Tata Steel, we have sold JSW. You can see the Z-score here is 3. So whenever you have the Z-score as 3, try to put one profit somewhere near when it comes to around 2. You'll get good profit in that. So what you're seeing is the same thing here. Came down to 1.8, so the 11,000 rupees, you could have booked one profit here and waited for the next one, next profit, where it comes to around 1, roughly around 1. So it's still at 1.979. So we have this loss, but there will be a deep, once there is a fallen from 1.79 to nearly 1, this negative will become a positive profit. That's how it works. So the winning percentage is 73%. So yesterday the loss was 3,500. Today the loss is, yesterday it was 1,500. So we'll just check how the market opens today, and then in case if the Z-score comes down to 1, we'll wind up this trade. Overall, in case if you follow the strategy what we tell you, you could have made profits here itself. That is the third day trade. In 3 days you would have made around 11,000 rupees on this particular trade. So let's check Axis Bank and Bank Nifty. So Axis Bank we have short, again we have bought Bank Nifty. So the Z-score started at 2.9. You can see it came down the first day and then it went up 3.06. Likewise, it has increased. So let's just check what's the final Z-score in this. Okay, we don't have the data. I think we should check the data for this. Let me just get back to this trade again. Copper and zinc, let me just check it. Then, we don't have the data for 10 years for this, but we have it from 2011. So once we get again the historical data, maybe we'll have much more clarity on these trades. But overall, this is the trade. Zinc we shorted, copper we bought it. So the Z-score was 3.86, and around you can just see here 1 point difference in the Z-score. This is the right time to exit the trade, at least one lot. And now it's still 2.75. We have to wait. It's under 15,000 rupees. Sorry, this is again an old trade. We don't have the price for this. In commodities, once we upload the historical data for 10 years, then you'll be able to have a clear clarity in this. Hexaware and Tech Mahindra, let's just check that. Hexaware and Tech Mahindra, you can just see the chart, both are moving in tandem. So Hexaware we shorted and Tech Mahindra we have 2.83 is the z-score. Now let's just see, the z-score has actually increased after the trade progress. So the winning trades are 93% here. That's not a worry at all. So we'll have to just wait for some more time till this 0.25 becomes 1. So we'll wait on this particular Hexaware and Tech Mahindra trade. So Ashok Leyland and EM, this particular trade is running. So yes, day before yesterday, I think I posted this video. I think you can cross-check this figures. I have already posted day before yesterday's prices yesterday at 8 o'clock in the morning. So day before yesterday, the profit was 17,000 rupees, and yesterday it closed at 22,000 rupees. So you can see that the trade is in progress. 1.48 is the z-score. It started on March 3rd. It started with 3.02 as a z-score. So if you could have exited at 2, that is the next day itself, you could have made around 18,000 rupees profit. So whenever a z-score starts at more than 3, try to exit one trade at 2 and near to the 2% levels. You'll make some good profit, and then when next lot you wait till it becomes 1. So what would have happened here is, 18,000 rupees on one lot you could have booked here, and you could have waited on this particular trade. That is, we are still at 22,000 rupees profit. We'll wait till we'll just check today in case there is a fall in Ashok Leyland. We already have a sell call in Ashok Leyland from our trading tree charts. In case if this falls, then definitely this can turn to something like 35,000 rupees within no time. So you know the winning trades in this is 84%. So I will ignore this lead and copper. See, and Grasim, I think the trade is already closed. So ACC is outperforming Grasim. You can see these 2 arms here. So the trade got generated on 25th Feb. 3 is the z-score. So around 2 is the z-score here, the second day. So that's around 9,600. But this is a very good trade actually. So March 16th trade closed, but giving you a profit of around 20,000 rupees on each lot. So you can see that here 0.7, the trade will close automatically. Winning percentage is also 75% here. That's a pretty good trade. Syndicate Bank and Bank of India, 82% is the correlation. Let's just check what is the winning. So here almost we are moving in tandem. And so this call got generated on Feb 12th. 3.81 is the z-score. Now that's a very high z-score. In case if it falls to at least 3, that will be a very good profit. Here it went to 2.71. That's around 3,200 profit. And then I think it increased. So the overall now it is at 1.7. The overall loss is 8,000 only, but that is still yesterday. Now let's just check in case if this will close today. 1.7. If it comes somewhere near 1, this will definitely turn into a profit, and then you can book your profits. So IndusInd Bank and Federal Bank. So that is Federal Bank. I think there's some problem with this particular indication. We'll just come back to this trade. We'll reload it again. ELBK and Yes Bank. So Yes Bank has always outperformed most of their peers. So here the call, what we did is Federal Bank we have bought, Yes Bank we have short. 2.7 is the next day it is 2.4 and 10,000 rupees profit, 2.36, 2.31, and then it increased. So overall it's around 19,000 rupees loss. So the strategy is the same thing. You'll have to book your one lot profit initially and then wait for come down to 1. If it just comes down to 1, then definitely this particular thing will turn into an the winning trades are also 75% in this. Let's come to Ashok and Ashok Leyland and Tata Motors. Good call. I think it's still running. So this is what 10th March 10th we got this call. We short Ashok Leyland and bought Tata Motors DVR. The 2.7 is Z-score. Increased the next day and then subsequently it fell down. So now it's in a profit of 18,000 rupees till yesterday. Day before yesterday it was around 40,000 rupees. There is still much trade to come on this because we are seeing a Z-score of 1.79. It has to at least come to 1. So this is Ashok Leyland and TVS Motors. So this is in a good profit. We gave a call on March 2nd. We short Ashok Leyland here and bought TVS Motors. 3.14 is a Z-score. So you can just check once it comes to nearly 1. We should exit one lot, and that's a very good profit. Within a span of 2 days, we have made 32,000 on one lot, and you can just carry over for the next trade. I mean, till it comes to 1, you'll definitely make profit. It's still in 21,000 profit. So one lot if you have booked here, 32,000, and there is another 21,000 here. That's roughly around 53,000 is a profit that you can make on 2 lots. So these are some of the trades that we have, and I'm just showing you only the trades which are on 80% correlation, and I'm just ignoring these things. We will see this at a later time when we maybe after the market opens, we'll just check it once more, and then I'll post the video again. Thank you.